What's up world, welcome back to my channel, Bloody B here. In this video I want to talk to you once again about some books that can make a huge difference in your life. I had a video previously a couple of weeks ago talking about books that will change your life if you follow the advice in the book. Today I want to talk to you about 3 books that can improve your sales game. If you're in a sales profession and you want to improve your skills, or you're starting in sales, it's important to read sales books, as many as you can get your hands on. Today I will talk to you about 3 that really made a difference in my sales profession. Personally, I got into the sales profession not that long ago, a few years ago, and those books really made a difference. So let's get started. On the first one, we'll go from the smallest one to the biggest one. The first book is called The Little Red Book of Selling. This book is written by Jeffrey Gitomer, and this book has a lot of really good tips on how you can close the sale. This book gives you 12 important principles that will definitely make a difference in your sales career. Whether you're starting or even if you're already in sales, you can always, and remember, as long as you're always open-minded to learning new things, there is always going to be room for improvement, and you can always actually get better. That's the truth of life. You have to be humble because nobody's perfect. Let's be realistic. So this book will give you 12 principles that you can implement into your sales game, sales tactics that will help you. And one important principle that is in this book is that you can't just read it, you have to actually reread it multiple times and make new notes, new pointers, and try the different principles. Because I assure you, if you read it once, you're probably not going to apply all of the things. Maybe you're like, oh man, you'll pick up 1 or 2 things. You read it 2 times, you pick another thing. And eventually, this makes your sales game so much stronger. The Little Red Book of Selling, number 1. The second book is a little bit bigger, and this one is by the same author, Jeffrey Gitomer, and it's called A Sales Bible. The Sales Bible will also make a difference in your sales game. The book has the same format as the Little Red Book of Selling. It has the same color schemes, it has the same breakdown of things, but it has a lot of points that are not in the other book that will also help you sell and close better. And it's also talking a lot about social media strategies, which is these days huge. Everything is about social media. If you have a company or a business, or you're in sales and you're not on social media, you're already losing. You have to be on social media, and this book has a lot of points on how to get on there, what to do properly, what is going to help you attract more customers, more leads. It's going to talk to you about building a brand. It's going to talk to you about how to do the things that you know you need to do, but probably not doing them. Sales Bible, a must-have in your personal library if you're in a sales profession. Last but not least, this one I personally am reading for the 3rd time already, and this is The Secrets of Closing the Sale by Zig Ziglar. A classic and absolutely must-have. I left this one for last because it's my personal favorite. This guy is giving so many valid points. There are so many great advices in this book, and it's actually giving you examples. Zig Ziglar is talking about a lot of different industries, but when I was reading this book, I was able to, in my mind, change what he's talking about to my industry and change some wording around and understand how this is going to work in my business, in my sales, in my industry. And you can do the exact same thing. Don't even get me started on how many examples this book has on sales and how to actually close. He's taking you from A to Z on real examples from his life, from his career, on how he closed sales. Talking about psychology, talking about techniques, the words, your intonation, your tone of voice is extremely important. Out of the 3 that I just mentioned to you, this would be my favorite, and if you had to only choose one or the other, one of the 3, I would definitely go with Secrets of Closing the Sale by Zig Ziglar, because it definitely will make a difference in your life for sure if you're in a sales career. Leave some comments below with a list of your books that helped you improve your sales game if you're in the sales profession. Also, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.